Number 1. 1997 Ford F150, price $6,000, powered by a 5.4L V8 2-valve engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain, making it suitable for both daily use and off-road conditions. The truck has 183,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. According to its condition, the vehicle is mechanically sound with no leaks or known issues, and it comes with a clean title. The body is described as rust-free, and the paint remains in good shape without signs of burn or major fading, maintaining a solid overall look. Additionally, it sits on 35-inch tires, enhancing both its stance and performance capability. Overall, this F-150 appears to be well maintained and accurately represented in the photos, offering a strong combination of reliability, power, and visual appeal for its age. Number 2. 1997 Nissan Pickup, price $5,500. This truck has 153,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, running on gasoline. It features a red exterior complemented by a clean and well-kept black interior, giving it a classic and appealing look. The truck comes with a clean Florida title and is reported to be in great running condition, making it a dependable choice for daily driving or light-duty work. The air conditioning blows cold, adding comfort in warmer weather. Inside, the cabin has been well maintained with minimal wear, while the exterior paint still presents nicely. It also sits on a set of great tires, indicating it's ready for the road without immediate need for replacement. Overall, this pickup reflects careful ownership and consistent upkeep over the years. Number 3. 1994 Ford F150, price $8,500, well-kept classic pickup with 248,000 miles, finished in green with a beige interior. It features a gasoline-powered 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and a highly responsive throttle. Upgrades include long tube headers, a true dual exhaust system, and a new suspension setup with a 2-inch front and 4-inch rear drop, giving it a smooth, comfortable ride. It rides on brand new American Racing 15x10 polished aluminum wheels wrapped in wide 295 tires. Additional features include tinted power windows, power locks and mirrors, a split rear window, and an aftermarket CD player with Bluetooth. The truck also comes with new lighting all around, interior LED upgrades, a dash cover, toolbox, bed liner, and floor mats, making it a clean blend of classic style and modern touches. Number 4. 1989 Ford F-150, price $7,500, presented as a well-maintained classic pickup that still delivers both performance and presence. It has traveled 96,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a gasoline engine. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck stands out wherever it goes, turning heads with its bold and cohesive color scheme. It runs, drives, and handles confidently, reflecting careful ownership over the years. While the paint shows some fading in certain areas, the interior has been well preserved for its age, maintaining a clean and respectable appearance. The AC system requires a new vacuum pump, but aside from that, the vehicle remains in solid condition. It is also fitted with Bridgestone tires that are still in good shape, adding to its overall reliability and readiness for the road. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck has been well cared for and remains a reliable daily driver. It has traveled 276,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, paired with a 4.3L V6 engine. The truck features a blue exterior, currently wrapped, giving it a refreshed appearance. Previously garage-kept, it comes with a clean Nevada title and has undergone extensive updates, with most components already replaced. The suspension has been modified with a 5/7 drop and a rear C-notch, enhancing its stance. The air conditioning system is brand new, and the heating system functions properly, ensuring comfort in various conditions. While the truck is not flawless, it offers solid performance and practicality, making it a dependable option for everyday use. Number 6. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. It has 172,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a white exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and clean look. The current owner has had the truck since 2018 and reports that it has been completely reliable, with no mechanical issues beyond routine maintenance. It runs and drives great, with meticulous oil changes performed every 5,000 miles using full synthetic oil. Cosmetically, the paint shows the typical 1990s clear coat wear, giving it a vintage patina that many enthusiasts appreciate. There is also a dent in the rear bumper caused by a hidden stump in tall grass. Importantly, the cab corners and rocker panels remain in excellent, rust-free condition. Number 7. 1971 Ford F100, price $10,000. It comes in an attractive boxwood green finish, with both the exterior and interior maintaining a consistent green color theme that enhances its vintage appeal. The truck retains its original paint and presents as a very solid short bed model. Under the hood, it is powered by a 302 engine that has recently been updated with a new timing chain and gasket kit, ensuring there are no leaks or smoke. The braking system has been fully rebuilt this year, contributing to its reliable performance. It starts easily on the first attempt and runs smoothly, equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column paired with a new clutch. All gauges and lights are in proper working condition, making it a dependable choice for everyday driving. The tires are in good shape and show no signs of dry rot, further supporting its road-ready condition. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This truck is presented in solid running condition and offers a blend of classic style and reliable performance. It has approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, paired with a 350 engine and a 700 R4 gearbox. The truck features a 4x4 drivetrain and comes finished in a gold exterior color that still shows well. It has been maintained with several updates, including new tires, a new steering box, and some recently replaced interior components. The vehicle runs strong and performs well on the road. There are very small rust spots on each cab corner, but overall the body remains in good shape for its age. Number 9. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. Well-maintained pickup powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 204,000 miles on the odometer and runs great, with both the heating and air conditioning systems functioning properly. The truck features a blue exterior matched with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. A significant amount of maintenance has already been completed, making it a solid and reliable choice. Recent upgrades and replacements include a new AC compressor, wiper motor, radiator, water pump, thermostat, power steering hoses, belt and tensioner, spark plugs, and a driver's side window regulator. Overall, it presents as a dependable classic truck with important mechanical components already refreshed. Number 10. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,800. This truck is presented in excellent condition, featuring a strong 5.2L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has traveled only 78,000 original miles and comes with a clean title, reflecting its well-maintained history. The exterior is finished in a striking blue, complemented by a clean gray interior. The truck runs on gasoline and offers both cold air conditioning and fully functional heating, ensuring comfort in any weather. It is also equipped with like-new tires, adding to its reliability and readiness for the road. Overall, this vehicle stands out as a solid, low-mileage example with original components and dependable performance.